Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today I am going to make this video because I've been getting a lot of the request how to install Sileo on your device. So in past a week or so, almost 2 weeks, I've been getting a lot of the comments on my other videos that people asking how to install Sileo and jailbreak your phone using the Sileo. And I thought, it's been more than usual comments, and I thought, let's make a video and show you guys how to, install Sileo and how to jailbreak your phone. Now, before we start this video and before I show you guys everything step by step, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now, that's been said, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So the first thing I want to show you guys, as we can see right here, I'm using the iPhone 11 Pro Max right here, and it's not, it was jailbreak. So I unjailbreak it and I'm going to show you guys everything. So as you guys can see right here, this is the front page, the first page of my phone, and we got all these regular applications, and there's one folder. Let me open up, and as you guys can see, there's no Cydia, there's no Sileo, there's no Uncover, nothing up here. And if I go to the next page, as we can see, this is the app library right here, and as we can see, there's nothing on this phone related to jailbreak. So I just want to show you guys from the beginning to the end how to jailbreak your phone. And now the method I'm going to show you guys is work for both. If you thinking about installing the Sileo or you want to install the Cydia, it's up to you. But with this method, you can do either or. And also I'm going to show you guys something in my setting. If I open up my setting page and if I go down to Journal and then click on About right there, and then as we can see right here is the iPhone, and the software I'm running right now of recording of this video is the 14.3. The model name is iPhone 11 Pro Max, like I told you guys, and also as we can see, everything is normal. There's no jailbreak recording anything. So from this step forward, I'm going to show you guys now how to jailbreak. So let's get this started, and it's really simple, really easy. And another thing I want to mention real quick, as you can see right here, my phone is not connected to the laptop or any kind of other source. Everything you can do on your phone, and it's really easy, really simple. And I did made a couple videos in the past. I guess people can't find them, so that's why I'm recording this video. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up my note app on my phone, as we can see right here, and this is the link we're going to open, the second one in this list. So it's going to be this one right here. This is the link you want to open, and I'm gonna put this link in the description below, so you guys can easily copy and paste, or you can easily open from the description in your browser. So when I click this, it will take you to the Safari, as we can see right here. And now it's really important, as we can see, the Apple keep revoking the jailbreak. So when you go to this page, the first thing you want to check, make sure this dot right here is green. See right there, this dot is green. If it's red, then it will not work for you, and I'm sorry, you have to wait till you see this dot is green. That means it's signed and you can download any of this jailbreak. So you have the Odyssey, you have the Taurine, and you have the Uncover. So you can download whatever you like, but Today's the main topic and making of this video is the how to use Sileo. So for Sileo, you have to use the Taurine, this one right here. So let me dismiss it. So this is the middle one with the T. You want to click on that. Second window going to pop up, and as we can see right here, the version as of recording of this video for the Taurine is v1.1.6, and downloads is 31,392. And what do you want to do? I give you, if you want to read through the description right here, you can give you a description a little bit about this jailbreak. But what do you want to do? You want to click on Get. So just like that. And once you click on Get, as we can see right here, Jailbreak app would like to install Taurine. So you want to hit Install. And then you want to exit out of your this page, and then you want to go to the your second page or first page, and you want to see the download. As we can see right there, is that quick. It doesn't even take a minute. It's like 20 to 30 seconds. And as we can see right here, we got the Taurine right here installed. And now, once you see the app that install on your phone, on your winterboard, and then what do you want to do? You want to click on that. And as we can see, the reason I wanted to click on it, because I want to show you that you're going to get this message, first installed. This is the message you're going to get. And when you get this message, you want to hit cancel, and then you want to go into your setting, open up your setting, go to General, and then you want to go in all the way down till you see a device management. Click on the device management, and that's when you're gonna see the this right here. You want to click on that option, and then from here it will take you to this page. And on this page, it will ask you to trust this application. So what do you want to do? You want to hit where it says trust right here, and then it will pop up this small window, and it just wants you to verify again. You want to hit trust again, and as we can see right there, where it says trust, it says delete app. So you want to exit out of your setting, and then once you exit, you want to go back to the app Taurine, and you want to open this up, and as we can see, it opened up with no message or anything. So from here, really simple. You don't want to touch any of these options on the page. All you want to do is to click the last option where it says jailbreak. So we're gonna hit jailbreak, and as we can see, it says running exploit 1 of 3. So now we just wait. It will take a couple seconds, and as we can see right here, the root requested Taurine has to reboot to finish the jailbreak process. When your device reboot, reopen Taurine to complete the process. You want to hit OK, and that will reboot your phone completely, like the way you shut your phone down and then you power it back on. It will do everything automatically. You don't have to do anything. As you can see, it's in a boot mode right now, and it will take a couple seconds. And once you go back to the as we can see right here, lock screen, you want to swipe up, and then you want to go and open the Taurine again. And as of right now, there's nothing up here except the Taurine, so you want to open up the Taurine app again. And then what do you want to do? You want to hit the jailbreak button again. As we can see right there, running exploit 1 out of 3. So this time you won't get that message. This time it will go into reboot, but it will when I come back, you will have the Sileo install on your device. And as we can see right here, it says installing Sileo. As we can see, we did not get the message. Taurine, you're gonna get these a couple of flushes, and then once it come back, as you can see, it went into the boot mode, and then now it's coming back. And now if we swipe up and then go to the next page, we can see the Sileo is downloaded and it's working fully. As we can see, it opens up with no problem. And as we can see, I just downloaded the Sileo, and there's no packages, no sources installed, because you have to do it again. You have to add. And how to add the sources, you want to hit on the plus sign right there, and then right here you want to type in the whole HTTP whole address, and then hit add source. And I think that's all for this video, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And if you still have any question about the Sileo, or if you have any question about anything else related to jailbreak, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below, and I will be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And like I said, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.